Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Laffizz 2-pack torch lighter. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the packaging, at the features, at the overall design, at the performance, and finally my overall thoughts. So let's get into the packaging. Here you go. We got the instruction manual and the warranty cards. Here are the lighters. And here it is. This is the 2-pack torch lighter. So like I said, this is the 2-pack Laffizz torch lighters, and they do come in the pearl white and pearl black colorways. So they do have like this pearl kind of colorway to them, which looks pretty cool. This white one as well, but you can't really tell as much just in the right light. I think they look very nice. They're very small, very slim, and they fit in the hand very well. So I already opened these and actually filled them up, so they're all ready to go. Now the construction of the body does feel like it's like a plastic. It's not cheap by any means, but it is a plastic, and you can definitely tell that it's a plastic. On the top we do have a metal, so that makes it a lot better. The cap is also a metal. It is the push release, so as you push, it does release the cap, which is a nice feature that they have. It makes it very simple for ignition if you just simply press it to ignite. They do come with a pretty big fuel window, which I actually prefer. I hate when the lighters actually come with a very small fuel window where you can't even see the actual fuel. The fact that this is pretty big and it's double-sided so you can see through and it's clear, it's definitely a benefit that it has such a big window. I really like this about the lighters. So unlike many torch lighters that come with a hole punch in the bottom, these actually come with a flame regulator. And finally, overall, they're just very simple torch lighters that just work. I've definitely put them through its paces already. I tried to ignite them many times and they always seem to work. They work very well. They have a very strong flame. They are a triple torch lighter, and honestly they work very well. As you can see, it has very consistent torch. So as you can see, the torch is very consistent, and pretty much it always ignites every single time. I think if I had to pick one negative thing from these lighters is the body itself. I probably would have preferred a metal body as opposed to this plastic. It probably would have made it a little heavier, but I think it would have made it just a little stronger and just feel a little better in the hand. Now don't get me wrong, it feels really good, but if it would have been metal body, it probably would have felt a little better. And then finally, it does have this little keychain hole. So it makes sense that it's plastic because maybe they didn't want it to weigh as much. And so finally, I definitely think it's a good, reliable lighter. I think it's a nice compact size, and they both work very well. If you're on the market for a torch lighter or a pack of 2 torch lighters, I definitely recommend these two. If you're interested in checking these lighters out, I will be leaving a link in the description below. So if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing.